Good morning. This is Malayo Dixon with Essence of You. Doing a sample video this morning of what I had for breakfast. It's a little late this morning, but I'm not having to go to my day job, so I didn't get up to around 9 o'clock. So what I'm getting ready to prepare this morning is going to be spinach, cucumbers, celery, apple juice, and banana. Yay. So what I've done is I've already sort of started preparing my juice before I decided to actually video it. But I've already rinsed my vegetables, and I've cut up my celery, and I've cut up my cucumbers. So now I have my handy dandy mixer right here, which I'm going to get me a Vitamix because it's so much better. It's great for soups and just for regular juices too. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my veggies. I'm going to put them over here in the blender. So as you can tell, this is the very first video, so if you get a little dizzy watching me, I do apologize. So I put in around about a handful and a half of spinach. I cut up a half of cucumber and a whole stalk of celery. So I have the banana here. Oops, a little close. And I'm going to try to sit my camera down so you all can watch this. If I don't do a very good job at it, then I do apologize. So let's see what we get here. I'm going to set that down. Yeah, it's not going to be very good. So what I'm going to do, just going to come up and possibly, let's see, put it on, hold just a moment.